If you're facing an error stating that this version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps to which you can solve this error. I have personally tried this method, and I have never faced the error again. So, I recommend watching the video till the very end to grasp everything properly. Alright, let's get started. First things first, right-click on the Valorant icon and select Open File Location. This will bring you to the main game directory, where the actual game files are located. From there, right-click on the .exe file and go into its properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Click on Change Settings for All Users, and there you'll find Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Simply check the box and make sure Windows 8 is selected in the drop-down menu. Additionally, check the box for Run this program as an administrator, and then click Apply and OK. The next step is to open up the Settings app. Head over to the Privacy and Security section from the left side menu. From there, select Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. If for any reason you have disabled this, make sure to turn it back on. Doing this will protect you from a lot of incoming malware or ransomware, and many times, this could be the major reason for the application showcasing the error. Once you're done with that, head back to the main settings page and select Windows Update. Check for available updates and try to keep your Windows version up to date. The last thing you need to do is restart your PC. Wait for it to reach the startup screen. Now, quickly press the Delete key on the keyboard. This will get you into the BIOS settings. From there, locate Secure Boot. The interface might vary depending on the motherboard you're using. In my case, it is in the Advanced mode and then in the Boot section. Simply enable it and save the settings. Make sure not to tweak any other settings, as this can cause unnecessary issues. Then just exit the BIOS and you're good to go. Your PC will start as it normally does. Now, go ahead and launch the game. This time, you most likely won't face any issues. But in case you still get the error, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.